Well, if you are looking to grow your network on LinkedIn, you might be opening LinkedIn every day and then sending requests to a lot of people manually. This thing can be automated and on your phone itself. No programming is required. Let's see how. And I will go to automate application. Here I add a new task and I see this screen first of all. On the left pane, if you see, there is an option to add interact action. Go to that and then click on record interaction. Then switch on to your LinkedIn application and click on the first connect button. Save this action and then click on done. Now you will see two blocks here. You just need to connect your first beginning block with the second block that you have added. You just need to drag it like this. And then you need to connect these two blocks also, because when this action fails, it need to repeat the action. And when it gets succeeded, it again need to click on that button. So what I need to do now is I just need to click on the start button and then switch on to my LinkedIn application, and you'll see it automatically send multiple invitations until and unless I stop it manually. So that's how you can send lots of requests every day with one click. Keep watching Extreme Automation to watch more such tips and tricks. Please click on subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.